Understanding the partitive article in French is crucial for expressing quantities of uncountable nouns, something that doesn't have a direct equivalent in English. In English, we often use some or any to indicate an unspecified amount of something, but French uses specific partitive articles to convey this concept, especially important for uncountable nouns such as water, bread, or butter. Let's explore how this works in both languages with examples. For uncountable nouns in English, we say, "Can I have some water?" Here, some serves a similar function to a partitive article, indicating an unspecified amount of water. But in French we say,
Puis-je avoir de l'eau?
In French, de L acts as the partitive article for water, eau, which is singular and uncountable. It indicates an unspecified amount of water. Similarities are there in English and French for countable nouns. I bought 5 apples. English simply specifies the number of apples, treating apples as a countable noun.
J'ai acheté 5 pommes.
Like in English, French specifies the number when dealing with countable nouns. However, when not specifying the number, French often uses partitive articles to indicate some amount of a noun, countable or not. Now we see about expressing small or large quantities. I need a lot of butter for the recipe. English uses quantifiers like a lot of to indicate the quantity.
En français, nous utilisons j'ai besoin de beaucoup de beurre pour la recette. We use beaucoup de.
The use of d before butter is a way to use the partitive in a broader sense. Now let's see about plural use, general quantities. In English we say, she eats a lot of fruits. English doesn't change the structure whether it's singular or plural when talking about quantities in a general sense.
En française, c'est elle mange beaucoup de fruits.
In French, d is used in a plural sense to indicate a partitive quantity of fruits, showing that the concept of partitive articles extends beyond singular, uncountable nouns. The main takeaway is that the partitive article in French is a grammatical necessity for expressing quantities, and understanding its use is key to mastering French nuances, especially when dealing with uncountable nouns or expressing unspecified amounts.